Well, hi everybody, Camila here. Welcome back to my channel. And yes, I am back. I'm going back to back. Yes, I am back with another video. This is my January's favorite video. Yes, it is late, but it is still here. So if you have not already seen my previous video, which is an empties video, I will go ahead and link that video down below. But this video is going to be on my favorites of January 2019. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Starting off with skincare products, I'm going to start with face. And so far I am loving this Beachy Laboratories Eau Thermal spa water, rich in rare minerals. It is paraben free. So what I do with this is, because I do my skincare backwards, so I'll go ahead and clean with this before I apply my mask. And like I said, this is Beachy. This is a thermal spa water, and I put this on before I do my skincare to cleanse my face. And I think you can find this brand at Ulta. If not, you can go ahead and look it up. But what I can do is look it up on the Ulta website and put it down below. That's if you can find it at Ulta. Next is, of course, from the Tatcha brand. I am digging Tatcha. This is an expensive brand. So far, I have tried the Balance Pore Perfecting Water Gel Moisturizer. And let me tell you, this is Balm.com. It does make your pores smaller. I don't have that greasy feel as if I was to use another moisturizer. I am loving the Tatcha Balance Pore Perfecting Water Gel Moisturizer. You can find this at Sephora and also at the Tatcha. Also, I think you can find it on QVC too. So QVC, Sephora, and also the Tatcha website. But this is amazing stuff. I also have some other products from Tatcha that I will be trying out before I move on further to buy any more other Tatcha stuff. But so far, I am loving the Tatcha Water Pore Perfecting Gel. Next is this toner from Pearlescence. It's Aloe and Rosewater Tonic Water. I use this to finish off my skincare. So once I mask, I cleanse, I go ahead and use the toner to get off any other residue or dirt or antioxidants off my face before I put my moisturizer on. The smell is not overpowering. It gets the job done. And you can find this at TJ Maxx. And this is by the brand Pearlescence. And it's $5.99. Next, I don't know how many times I have to say I love this line. I am happy with it. I picked this moisturizer and a thermal mask up during Ulta's skincare, 26 days of skincare, and let me just say I am enjoying this product. And it, of course, is from the Peter Thomas Roth brand. Hopefully you can see it. And this is the Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Moisturizer. It leaves my face butter skin soft. Excellent product. Once again, I've pretty much tried everything for Peter Thomas Roth. I am just waiting for the right sale or another 20% off coupon so I can just go ham on other Peter Thomas Roth products. But so far, I am getting through their product line. And their products are amazing. Once again, you've probably seen these in my empties video. And this is from the Fresh brand. And this is the Sugar Lip treatments. I have the original. And then I also have the advanced treatment. Advanced lip treatment. I am trying to get every bit of this out of. I'm trying to get every bit of it out of here before I buy another, before I buy some more. But I do have some other fresh lip products in my vanity, and I also have a 10-can gift set that I purchased, so I probably won't have to buy any full-size ones for a while because I already have some fresh lip products already in my vanity as backups. The next product that I am loving is, of course, the Bite Beauty lip mask that is in a lipstick form. Prior to it being in a lipstick form, you can get it in a squeezy tube form, and let me just say, I love it. I think you will find this on the Bite Beauty website as well as in Sephora. Also, I have another lip product. It is from Pore. Give me a few minutes. Give me a second, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry about that. I am back. I have another lip product that I am loving as well. This is from the Pore line. You can find it on the Pore website. Focus. You can find it on the Pore website. Also, you can find it on Sephora's website. I have not seen any of the Pore lip products in Sephora, but I do believe they have their other products such as the deodorant and the skin creams. But I have not seen the lip products in there. You can also find Pore products in Ulta as well as on the website. So the following places you can find Pore products is on their website, Ulta, and Sephora. So yes, I am loving this lip gloss by Pore. They also have a lip mask that I have not got my hands on yet, but I will be getting that in the near future. Another product. Another product that I am loving is from the brand Tree Hut. This is the Shea Body Butter with Moroccan and Argan Oil. And this is in Moroccan Rose. Very, very good product. Doesn't leave you oily, doesn't leave you ashy. It does the job, especially when you have taken a bath at night and you apply this, or even in the morning after a shower. And as you can see, it is almost done. Another product that I am liking, two body butters that I am liking are from, of course, Bath and Body Works, and this is in the scent Pink Cashmere. And it's super soft body butter, over 24 hours of moisture. It has shea butter and coconut oil. And most definitely, I like the body butters over the creams in the tubes. I'm loving this, and I am getting through this as well, as you can see. Another product from Bath and Body Works is the lavender and sandalwood with natural lavender oil from Bath and Body Works as well. This smells good. It's not too overpowering. As you can see, I am getting through this one as well. So I have 3 body butters that I am trying to get through, and they are great. Next products that I am liking in the month of January is Altoids. And this is in the wintergreen. This is the wintergreen, and I have 2. Also, the spearmint is pretty good too, but I prefer the wintergreen. But Altoids, you can't go wrong with Altoids. Also, I am liking this eye cream, and it's by EB5 Eye Treatment. I got this eye cream. Focus. Come on. But anyway, it's from EB5, E as in Edward, B as in boy, the number 5 eye treatment. And I got this in a subscription box. What subscription box I got it in, I don't know. But it is supposed to help with, let's see, wrinkles in the eyes and keeping your up in here hydrated. it works well for me. And let me see if I find the website, I'll go ahead and list it down in this description box down below. But it is an awesome and amazing product. Yeah. Next, I am liking Gain Pods. This is in the original scent. This is in the Moon Breeze scent. And this is also in Wildflower and Waterfall scent. I meant to put this in my empties video, but I forgot, so I decided to go ahead and put it in my favorites video. Why not? I liked it, and they're all gone. But I also shared some of these pods with family, so. But anyway, next, for cleaning, everybody, Fabuloso. You cannot go wrong with cleaning with Fabuloso. This is a majority, everybody's household, Fabuloso. Walmart, the Dollar Tree, you might be able to get it at the 99-cent store, but Fabuloso is Balm.com. Put it in your toilets, clean the whole house with it. Man, your house will be singing Fabuloso. Just as good as Pine Sol. Fabuloso, can't go wrong with it. And this is in the lavender scent. Fabuloso, go get you some. Next is the Clorox disinfectant wipes. Need I say more? Clorox. Cleanliness is next to godliness. But anyway, and also cleaning your toilets. I love this stuff. I buy it over and over and over again. I get the 2-pack from Walmart. And if I really don't want to go back to Walmart and buy another 2-pack, I will go to Sam's Club and get a 4-pack. And this is the Lysol 10 times clinging gel. Clean and Fresh Toilet Blow Cleaner. Put this in your toilet, let it sit. Bomb. Okay. Last but not least, within the cleaning products, Comet. Everybody that I know grew up on Comet. This has 2 times the bleach in it. Clean your clean your tub with it, clean your sink with it, clean the top of the sink. Comet is the bomb. And if you really want to get your stuff clean, add bleach, the Clorox bleach to it. And yeah, moving right along. Lastly, I can't do anything without these. And I used to have a medium-sized one, but now I have the 3 mini ones, and I am happy with them. I have 3 different ones. I have a mini size for work, I have a mini size for day-to-day, and then I have a mini size for health and fitness, and they are my happy planners, and I am over the moon with them. If you want to see how I decorate my happy planners, go ahead and comment down below. Eventually I will get a video out on how I decorate my happy planners and so forth, but for the meantime, they are my favorite. Like I said, I went from a medium happy planner to 3 mini size happy planners. So I have this one, the past is your lesson, the present is your gift, the future is your motivation. And this is my everyday plan. This is my everyday planner. Like I said, if you want to see a video on how I decorate it and what I use it for, I'll be more than happy to do that for you. But just go ahead and comment below. And that's that. And the next planner I have is my work planner, and it says on it, no drama llama. Because you know when you go to work, there's always some drama. So I got this, and this I put what time I clock in, what time I clock out, and if I need to do anything. So let me just show you this. So if you can see the hours that I clock in and clock out, and my motivational stuff on what I need to do at work. And then also, for those that don't know, I am a nurse. It also lets me know what things that I need to do to keep all my certifications up to date. Like I have a lot of things that I need to get up to date before the month of February is over, such as my ACLS, BLS, and I put that all in this particular planner because this is my work planner. So for the month of February, I have to get on the ball, and I got a whole lot of things that I need to get done for the month of February for my license. And the next one is a health, fitness, and wellness planner. And this one, you are stronger than you think. Remember why you started. Soar today, strong tomorrow. You can do it. You can do it. Sweat. Love yourself more. Progress, not perfection. You're like really pretty. Remember why you started. Think positive. And sometimes I have backslided, but then I have this planner to remind me of what I need to do, and I'm working on that. But you know, like, motivation is the key to getting yourself together, and I will get there. And I need to decorate this planner and get it together because we are already in the second week of February, and I didn't document anything for February. Hey, so next week I have to, this Monday I have to be more motivated. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching. This is my first favorites video, and I hope to bring more favorites video in the near future. But once again, I want to thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, and I hope you have a beautiful week and a beautiful Sunday. Thank you, and bye.